Good morning to all. Sit in Sukhasana. Hands resting on the knees in Jnana Mudra or Chin Mudra. Sit erect. Close your eyes. Start prayer. Om. Om. Om Guru Brahma Guru Vishnu Guru Deva Maheshwaraha Guru Sakshat Parabrahma Tasmai Sri Gurave Namaha Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Tat Sat Om Namaha. Slowly deep breathe, inhale, exhale. Slowly deep breathe, inhale, exhale. Relax, open your eyes.
Sit in Vajrasana position. Place your both hands on your knees. Sit erect. Close your eyes. Exhale. Bring your head down, touching your chest with your chin. Inhale. Bring your head upwards, stretching backwards. Repeat this for 3 times. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Relax. Now we move on to the next one, neck turning movement. Exhale. Turn your head to your left side. Inhale. Bring it to normal position. Exhale. Turn your head to your right side. Inhale. Bring it to normal position. Repeat this for 3 times. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, relax. Slowly breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. Now we move on to the next one, neck sideways bending movement. Exhale, bend your head to the left side of your body. Inhale, bring it to the normal. Exhale, bend your head to the right side of your body. Inhale, bring it to the normal position. Repeat this for 3 times. Exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, relax. Slowly breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. Now we switch over to the next movement. It is called neck rotation. Exhale, bring your head down, touching your chest with your chin. Rotate your head from right side to the halfway. Inhale, complete the rotation by bringing it to the normal position. Do it for 3 times. Exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, relax. Now we do it anti-clockwise. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, relax. Breathe in slowly, breathe out slowly. Breathe in, breathe out. Now we start hand movements. Hand movements help us in relieving the stress in the hands and help us in strengthening hands. Now we start the first one, fingers clenching movement. First, stretch your hands to your shoulder level. Exhale, close your fingers, covering your thumb. Inhale, release your fingers. Now we repeat this for 3 times. Exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, Inhale. Put your hands down. Relax. Breathe in slowly. Breathe out slowly. After every movement, we should breathe in, breathe out slowly for at least 2 times. The second movement, wrist bending movement. First, stretch your hands to your shoulder level. Exhale. Bring your palm downwards. Inhale. Bring them upwards. Now we repeat them for 3 times. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Relax. Put your hands down. Breathe in. Breathe out. Now we start wrist rotation movement. Stretch your hands to your shoulder level. Fold your fingers and rotate your wrist clockwise. Rotate them for 4 times. Now, we rotate them in anti-clockwise direction. Rotate them in anti-clockwise direction for 4 times. Relax. Put your hands down. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Now we start elbow bending movement. Stretch your hands to your shoulder level, palms facing upwards. Exhale. Place your fingers to rest on your shoulders. Inhale. Release them. Now we repeat this for 3 times. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Relax. Put your hands down. Breathe in. Breathe out. Now we start shoulder rotation movement. First, stretch your hands to your shoulder level, palms facing upwards. Exhale. Place your fingers to rest on your shoulders. Join your elbows. Inhale. Rotate your elbow clockwise to the halfway. Exhale. Bring them to normal position. We repeat this for 3 times. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Repeat the same in the anti-clock direction. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Now relax. Put your hands down slowly. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Now we switch over to the next asana, which is also called Shashankasana. This is also called rabbit pose. Now see the advantages of this rabbit pose. The abdominal organs and muscles are strengthened. The digestive power is also boosted. The face and brain will get augmented flow of blood. Now let us see the technique of this Shashankasana. Sit in Vajrasana. Straighten the back. Inhale and exhale slowly by raising the arms, keeping them straight. Now exhale and bend forward. The arms, trunk and head should remain in one line. The arms, head and trunk should remain in one line. The forehead and arms should rest on the floor in front of the knees. Relax the whole body. Inhale and exhale slowly. Relax. Now let us switch over to the next one. Ustrasana. This is also called camel pose. Now let's see the benefit of this Ustrasana. It improves digestion, stretches and opens the front of the body. It also strengthens the back and shoulders. Relieves the body of lower back ache. Improves flexibility of the spine and also improves posture. Helps overcome menstrual discomfort. Let us look at the technique of this Ustrasana. Sit in Vajrasana. Your knees should be in line with the shoulders and the sole of your feet should be facing the ceiling. As you inhale, draw your hands onto your back and bend backwards and stay put for some time. Bend backwards and stay put for some time. Relax. Sit in Vajrasana.
Stand on knees, start here. Sit in Vajrasana, stand on.
And stand on your knees. Now, stretch your hands outside. Bring your left hand holding your left ankle and raise your right hand and look upwards. Relax. Now, bring your right hand back holding your right ankle and raise your left hand upwards and look upwards. Relax. Sit Vajrasana. Now stand on knees. Stretch both your hands forward and bring both your hands backward, holding both the ankles and bend backwards. Relax. Hands down. Sit Vajrasana. Relax. Now switch over to the next one, Marjalasana. Let's see the benefits of this Marjalasana. It stretches the back, torso and neck. It provides a gentle massage to the spine and belly organs. Now let's see the technique of this Marjalasana. First sit in Vajrasana. Form the tabletop position. Align the knees directly below your hips. Exhale, round the spine toward the roof. Inhale, now inhale and bring your spine downward and raise your head. Repeat the postures like inhaling and exhaling. While you raise your head upwards, bring your spine downwards. Now exhale. Now inhale and bring your spine downward and raise your head. Relax. Sit Vajrasana. Now stretch your legs out. And bring yourself to Dandasana.
Inhale, exhale.
Inhale and exhale.
Relax.
Relax. Surya Namaskar or Sun Salutation is a sequence of 12 powerful yoga poses. Please stand up. Step 1. Pranamasana. Step 2. Hasta Uttasana. Step 3. Pada Hastasana. Step 4. Ashvasanchalanasana. Step 5. Dandasana. Step 6. Ashtanga Namaskara. Step 7. Bhujangasana. Step 8. Parvatasana. Step 9. Ashvasanchalanasana. Step 10. Padahastasana. Step 11. Hasta Uttasana. Pranamasana. Relax. Raise your hands up. Bring your hands down. Now, let us repeat all the steps one more time. Step 1. Pranamasana. Step 2. Hasta Uttasana. Step 3. Padahastasana. Step 4. Ashvasanchalanasana. Step 5. Dandasana. Step 6. Ashtanga Namaskara. Step 7. Bhujangasana. Step 8, Parvatasana. Step 9, Ashwasanchalanasana. Step 10, Padahastasana. Step 11, Hasta Uttasana. Step 12, Pranamasana. Now relax. Raise your hands up. Slowly bring them down. Now slowly breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Now let us repeat all the steps one by one. Step 1, Pranamasana. Step 2, Hasta Uttasana. Step 3, Padahastasana. Step 4, Ashwasanchalanasana. Step 5, Dandasana. Step 6, Ashtanga Namaskara. Step 7, Bhujangasana. Step 8, Parvatasana. Step 9, Ashwasanchalanasana. Step 10, Padahastasana. Step 11, Hasta Uttasana. Step 12, Pranamasana. Now relax. Raise your hands up. Slowly bring them down. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Now Savasana. Now slowly lie down on your back. Leave some space between both the legs. Stretch your hands a little. Now slowly inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Now Samasthiti. Bring your both legs together, hands together. Slowly get up and sit. see the Kapalabhati technique. The inhale follows naturally after the strong exhale. Relax. Now slowly inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Repeat it. Inhale, exhale. The inhale follows naturally after the strong exhale. Relax. Slowly inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Pranayamas. The term pranayama consists of the words prana and ayama, meaning pranic energy and its expansion. Pranayama means to expand pranic energy and keep it under control. Breath is the sign of prana in the body. By a proper manipulation of the breath, prana can be expanded and controlled. It has direct link with the mind and the movement of the eyeball. So while doing pranayama, attention must be paid to stoppage of the movement of the eyeball and thus gaining concentration. Now let us see the meaning of Surya Bhedana. In yogic terminology, the right nostril referred to the gateway of sun energy or Pingala Nadi, and left nostril is gateway of moon energy or Ida Nadi. Sun energy is the representation of heart or masculine vitality in the body, while moon energy represents calmness or feminine vitality. If we go by the literal meaning of Surya Bhedana, Surya means sun, Bhedana means piercing or entering. Surya Bhedana pranayama is the deep inhalation of breath through the right nostril, then holding the breath for as long as comfortable, and finally exhaling through the left nostril. Now sit in any comfortable position, but sit erect. Form Prana Mudra with your right hand. When you close your right nostril, use your right thumb. When you close your left nostril, use your right finger, ring finger and little finger. Is the deep inhalation of breath through the right nostril, then holding the breath for as long as comfortable, and finally exhaling through the left nostril. Let us do it. Inhale through right nostril, hold it for some time. Exhale it through left nostril. Now repeat this. Inhale through right nostril, hold it for some time. Exhale through left nostril. Inhale. Exhale. Hold. Exhale. Inhale. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Relax. Let us move on to the next one, Bhramari Pranayama. It is also known as humming bee breath. Let us see the benefits of this posture. Bhramari relieves stress and cerebral tension. It also helps elevating anger, anxiety, and insomnia. Now, sit in a comfortable meditation asana. Close the eyes and relax the whole body for a short time. Put your index fingers in both of your ears and start listening to the humming sound within your body. The humming sound should be smooth, even, and continuous for the duration of the exhalation.
Relax. Prayer, Namaskara Mudra. सर्वेषां स्वस्ति भवतु। ओम सर्वेषां शांति भवतु। ओम सर्वेषां पूर्णं भवतु। ओम शांति शांति शांति। हरि ओम तत्सत्। ओम नमः। ओम नमः। అందరికీ నమస్కారం।